Makasaysayan ng pagtatalaga at pagkakasibak sa pwesto kay Police General Nicolas Torre III. Si Torre ang kauna-unang graduate ng Philippine National Police Academy na naitalagang hepe ng pambansang pulisya. Kabilang siya sa PNP Tagapaglunsad Class of 1993. Ngunit siya rin ang maituturing na may pinakamaiksing termino bilang Chief PNP dahil noon lamang Hunyo siya naitalaga at nagtagal lamang sa pwesto na mahigit 2 buwan matapos alisin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. epektibo Agosto 26, araw ng Martes. Balik sa kamay ng graduate ng Philippine Military Academy o PMA ang pamumuno sa PNP matapos italagang kapalit ni Torre si Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. na miyembro ng PMA Tanglaw Diwa Class of 1992. Sa change of command ceremony sa Camp Crame na pinamunuan ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla, kapuna-puna na wala si Torre.
The palace affirms that President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has made the difficult but necessary decision to relieve PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III of his duties. The President believes that his national security apparatus must always work within the framework of the law. With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts, and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOLCOM as it was intended by law. As part of this resolution, the President decided to relieve Police General Torre.
Ayon kay Remulla, nalulugod ang Pangulo kay Torre dahil sa pagtupad nito ng kanyang mga tungkulin kaya't mabigat, sabi ng kalihim, ang pagsibak sa ika-4 niyang hepe ng pambansang pulisya.
The President is very fond of General Torre. In his brief tenure as chief and even before that as CIDG, the President and General Torre have had a wonderful and productive relationship. However, there comes a crossroads in a President's decision-making that he has to make the tough but necessary decisions to push his agenda forward.
2 linggo pa lamang ang nakakalipas nang alisin ni Torre si Nartates bilang number 2 man ng PNP, ang the Deputy Chief for Administration, at inilipat bilang Area Police Commander of Western Mindanao. Ang ginawang ito ni Torre ay tinignan ni Remulla na paglabag sa polisiya ng National Police Commission o NAPOLCOM kaya't pinawalang bisa ng kalihim bilang chairman ng NAPOLCOM at ng kanyang vice chairman na si Attorney Rafael Calinisan. Kasunod nito, naglabas ang NAPOLCOM ng Resolution Order 2025-0531 o isang modifying order kaugnay sa pagbalasa ng mga opisyal, ngunit hindi ito sinunod ni Torre. Kinumpirma ni Remulla na ang ginawang ito ni Torre ay isa sa mga ikinonsidera ng Pangulo sa desisyon na alisin na siya sa pwesto.
Precisely because we are a country of laws and not of men, that the institutions must be larger than the people who run it. And in this case, the President saw it necessary that the institution of the PNP and the NAPOLCOM be upheld as according to the spirit of the law as it was created. That, among other things, is part of the consideration of the President.
Sinabi pa ng kalihim na kagabi ay ipinaalam kay Torre ang pagtanggal sa kanya sa pwesto. 4-star general si Torre at nakasaad sa batas na isa lamang sa PNP ang hahawak ng ranggong ito. Maililipat lamang ang ranggong 4-star kung magre-retiro sa serbisyo ang may hawak nito. Sa kaso ni Torre, sa susunod na taon pa niya, maaabot ang compulsory age of retirement na 56. Kontrobersyal pa rin ito na may tuturing na ayon kay Remulla ay pag-uusapan ng pamunuan ng NAPOLCOM. May alok din anya ang Pangulo kay Torre na bagong posisyon sa gobyerno.
General Torre has been informed of his relief. He has the option of retiring or staying, but the question of the 4-star will be with the NAPOLCOM to take up, but that is a collateral issue only to that who will be running the PNP, which will be formally, as of today, General Nartates.
Kontrobersyal na may tuturing si Torre dahil siya ang umaresto. Una, kay Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder Pastor Apollo Kibuloy at sumunod kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte noong Marso. Bukod dito, tinanggap din ni Torre ang hamon na suntukan ni Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte. Hindi lamang natuloy ang dapat na boxing for charity nang hindi magpakita sa araw ng laban si Mayor Duterte. Samantala, may direktiba na ang Pangulo sa bagong hepe ng pambansang pulisya.
The President has directed the incoming PNP Chief, General Nartates, together with the Secretary of the Interior Local Government, to present within 1 month a comprehensive citizen security strategy focused on increasing police presence throughout the country and ensuring that every Filipino feels secure in their communities. I was privy to a conversation that the President is considering him for another post in government, and we will know soon if General Torre will accept.
At sa kanyang mensahe, inilatag na ni Nartates ang ilan sa kanyang mga plano at pinasalamatan si Torre sa magandang paggiya sa PNP kahit sa maikling panahon.
In an overwhelming landscape of threats, innovation in patrolling and investigation is the key. We can deny the occurrence of crime through the mastery of community, strategic deployment, and police visibility in crime-prone areas. We shall continue the 5-minute response policy of the former Chief PNP to assure the public of timely intervention and protection. Following the direction of our President, and as we confront the realities of modern crime, we must expand our focus to include cybercrimes that is becoming more rampant or prevalent. Our cyber capabilities must be responsive and should adapt to the latest cyber threats and trends. Our commitment to the campaign against illegal drugs, loose firearms, and terrorism must remain steadfast. Record shows that prevalent crimes are often associated to these personalities involved in illegal drugs, and that prevalent crimes are usually committed with the use of firearms.